Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and evaluate the BuzzTV Classic AI step by step.
So, is this uncertified Android TV box the right choice for your cord-cutting setup?
Step 1. The hardware. It packs an AMD S905 X5 processor and 4 gigs of fast DDR5 RAM.
The included BT350 voice remote has a built-in Air mouse. You'll definitely need that for navigating mobile apps.
Step 2. The limitations. This box completely lacks Netflix and Widevine DRM certification. That means premium services, like Netflix or Prime Video, are strictly capped at standard definition.
Step 3. The upside. It runs pure Android 14 ASOP, so app sideloading is completely unrestricted.
Users often ask how to install these unknown apps. Let's walk through that setup process.
Just go to Settings, Open Apps, select Security and Restrictions, and turn on Unknown Sources.
This total freedom makes it perfect for IPTV, Kodi, and your highly customized streaming setups.
Step 4. The verdict. For this customized freedom, you'll pay a premium price of $179.
But despite the cost and lack of DRM, it still earned a solid 4.4 out of 5 stars.